How to create a Gmail label and filter. So first of all, open your Gmail and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then from here, simply tap on the menu bar right here. Then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you get to see the option of create new. Tap on that, and then in here all you need to do is name your label. So in here I'm going to name it test 2, just like this, and all you need to do is tap on the save option right here. And just like that, here you can see we have successfully created our Gmail label. So in order to search for a filter, what you can do is always simply tap on the search bar just like this. Then you'll get to see the option of label in here. If you simply drag this button here, you can get all of your labels in here, and like that you'll be able to use your labels. So for the filter part here, we have a lot of filters like from, to, attachment. We even have the option of a date, so you can select anytime or older than week. We also have older than a year option, and just like that you'll be able to create your Gmail label and filter. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to like our video.